Who inaugurated Semicon India 2025 in New Delhi? Narendra Modi. Where was Semicon India 2025 held? Yashobhoomi, New Delhi. What is the focus of Semicon India 2025? Semiconductor manufacturing. Which foreign leader is visiting India from September 3rd to 6th, 2025? Tshering Tobgay, Bhutan PM. A 3.5 magnitude earthquake struck which Indian state today? Assam. Which district of Assam recorded the earthquake? Sonitpur. Which state government asked officials to stay overnight for water supply monitoring? Uttar Pradesh. Which UP minister announced strict rules for water monitoring? Swatantra Dev Singh. Which CM challenged PM Modi to seek a fresh mandate citing voter roll issues? Hemant Soren. Which political party does Hemant Soren lead? JMM. Which top court dismissed plea on E20 petrol? Supreme Court. What does E20 petrol mean? %20 ethanol plus 80% petrol. Which council meet may announce GST rate cut soon? GST Council. GST Council is chaired by Finance Minister. GST cuts may affect how many products? $175. Hero MotoCorp reported how much YoY growth in August 2025? %8. Which Indian defense PSU got orders worth 6.44 billion rupees? BHEL. Which Tata Group subsidiary faced an IT security issue? Jaguar Land Rover. Which case involved cartoonist Hemant Malviya today? Cartoons of PM and RSS. Which natural disaster hit Afghanistan today? Earthquake. Magnitude of recent Afghanistan quake? .2. What new model is UP government implementing for rural water supply? Yogi model. Which CM launched Voter Adhikar Yatra? Hemant Soren. Which state was the Voter Adhikar Yatra held in? Jharkhand. Which central body is responsible for earthquake monitoring? IMD. Semicon India 2025 aims to reduce dependence on which imports? Semiconductors. Which Indian city is called the semiconductor hub? Bengaluru. Bhutan's PM visit is aimed at strengthening ties in which sector? Energy and hydropower. Which finance minister chairs GST Council meetings? Union Finance Minister. Which Indian PSU is a major player in semiconductor equipment? SCL. What is India's ethanol blending target by 2030? %20. Which four southern cities will India's new bullet train project connect? Hyderabad, Chennai, Amravati, Bengaluru. What blend percentage of ethanol in petrol did the Supreme Court uphold? %20. What is the current exchange rate level of the Indian rupee against the US dollar? $88. Which country did India warn about potential cross-border flooding? Pakistan. What option did the Supreme Court refuse to provide regarding petrol? Ethanol-free option. Which country suspended visas for Palestinian passport holders? USA. Which two countries competed in the Asia Cup 2025 hockey match live streamed recently? India and South Korea. Which women's cricket tournament's prize money exceeded men's for the first time? ICC Women's ODI World Cup. Which tennis player made Grand Slam history with the US Open win? Novak Djokovic. Which Indian teenager advanced to the US Open Juniors second round? Maya Rajeshwaran. Which Indian athlete will lead the athletics team at the World Championships in Tokyo? Neeraj Chopra. Which Indian chess player reached a career-high FIDE ranking recently? Pragnanandha. Which team defeated India 3-0 in the CAFA Cup football? Iran. Which England pacer retired from Test cricket before the Ashes? Jamie Overton. Which new artificial lake was formed in Uttarakhand due to heavy rains? Yamuna Valley Lake. Name one digital education expansion initiative by NCERT mentioned in the news. Diksha 2.0. What is the currency of Russia? Ruble. What is the capital of Bangladesh? Dhaka. What is the currency of Australia? Dollar.